So friends, preparation of alkanes, it can be carried out by various methods. First is from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons having double or triple bonds. The reaction is called hydrogenation. Second type is it is carried out from alkyl halides. Alkyl halide can be reduced by zinc like metals to alkane, and Wood's reaction is also there by which alkane can be obtained from carboxylic acid. If we go for decarboxylation, alkane can be obtained, and electrolytic reduction method is of Kolbe's method by which also alkanes can be obtained. Here we are going to learn first how alkane can be obtained from alkene and alkyne. That is called unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbon to saturated. Alkane is saturated. Alkane is C single bond C. So this is called saturated hydrocarbon, friends. And alkene and alkyne called unsaturated hydrocarbon. This is a simple process of addition of hydrogen, and that's why it's hydrogenation. How it takes place? Look at here. This is, friends, very simple member, first member of alkene. This is called ethene. When we add hydrogen molecule into ethene, we need either metal, Pt, platinum, or palladium, or nickel. Any one out of these three can be used as a catalyst. These two hydrogen atoms are added to each carbon, and the double bond will be break down into single. So this is the original structure. Double bond is break, and here you can see one hydrogen. This are added. This is CH3, CH3. This is called ethane. So ethene to ethane. This is the simplest reaction in which alkene is converted into alkyne. So it's very simple. It can be carried out for any member of, friends, alkene. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon. 4 carbon means but 2 in, because, friends, first and second on second carbon double bond is present. That's why it is but 2 in. If we count from right side, it is also 1 and 2 on second carbon double bond is there. So the same type of reaction in which hydrogen molecule is to be added in presence of platinum, palladium, platinum, or nickel, any either metal. Then these two hydrogen atoms will be added to these two carbons which having double bond. So CH3, CH3. Instead of double bond here, we are when we are adding hydrogen here, this will be CH2, this will be CH2. One hydrogen added to each carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is called butane. So from butene to butane is obtained in this method. This is hydrogenation. One more reaction from alkyne to alkane. So alkyne is C triple bond C, and alkane is, friends, C single bond C. So here we have to remove two bonds from the C double bond C, C triple bond C. That's why we need to apply two hydrogen molecules. How is it possible? So this is the first member, C2H2 or CH triple bond CH. It is called ethine. In ethine, friends, two hydrogen molecules, two H2 is to be added. And once again, platinum or palladium or nickel, any one metal is used as a catalyst. So out of 4 hydrogen, friends, 2 hydrogen will go to each carbon. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see one hydrogen was present on each carbon. This is one and one. 4 hydrogen atoms total. These 2 are downwards, 2 are upwards. This is once again CH3, CH3. It is called ethane. So ethyne to ethane or propane to propane. Look at here. This is CH3, C triple bond C H. This is propine. 3 carbon is prop and YNE ine. ट्रिपल बॉन्ड के लिए 2 हाइड्रोजन मॉलिक्यूल्स Pt, Pd or nickel 4 hydrogen atoms will be added. Here friends, look at here CH3, C and CH. You can see triple bond was there here. Triple bond is now converted into single bond. So friends, here total valencies of hydrogen, you can see carbon is 1, 2, 3 and 4. These 4 hydrogens are added from this 2H2. So this is friends CH3, CH2 and CH3. It is called propane because 3 carbons are there and these 3 carbons are all with single bonds. So by this method friends, we can obtain alkane from alkene or alkyne. Once again, this is unsaturated because number of bonds are more than one. This is unsaturated and this is saturated. Saturated means all only single bonds.